We are the biggest heat pump manufacturer globally, actually, right? So in terms of heat pumps, typical heat pumps are either on or off. Either they heat or they don't. We only do variable speed heat pumps. Why would you go for a single speed pump instead of going for a variable speed pump? You get savings, better sound pressure for sure. And all the products that we also do at Moov are really focused on technology. We are a tech company that does pool products. Everything is smart from the get-go. Everything is decentralized. You connect your pump, your heat pump, your salt system, your lights, connect through a Moov Pool AI app. That's free. And then you can control and set timers. It's a great retrofit option. It's a cheaper price point. We're very aggressive on the price point.